So I'm Mr. Newman, and my first name is Jesse. This is my friend Rob, who's playing electric bass today, and my friend Liam, who's playing drums, and then Noah. We've known each other for almost 30 years. We all live in different places, we all have kids, we have families, but we can interact with each other like very quickly and very spontaneously, which is something that I would really hope that you're able to do someday. So we're gonna play a little bit. Listen to the way I, on trumpet, play phrases that are rhythmic and that maybe the way the drummer responds to them. Or maybe listen to the way these two guys who have similar instruments are playing different rhythmically to help support each other. Does that make sense? Keep in mind that when things are more difficult and awkward and complicated, listening more is often helpful instead of talking more. The same way you focus in when you do that exercise.